He's visiting us.
Lucy, don't smack your lips, honey. Come on, Judith. Judith. Hi, princess. She's chasing her shadow. Lucy, don't smack your lips when you chew. That's gross.
Hey, hi, Princess.
Hi, princess.
Can I sit there?
No, let's sit here and try and encourage Judith to do a little running scamper. But you're getting on my nerves with that crackers. They're disgusting and you're making terrible noises with them. Seriously, Lucy, you're not eating with any manners. Hi, Figgy Fig. My baby boy, I love so much. Judith.
Alex, put this on.
On your head like you wore your crown. Hi. Hi, little pretty girl.